Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing temperatures rise into the upper 30s as of 10 a.m. You'll see highs today in the lower 40s. A tranquil day across our region. Should see good conditions, no chance of precipitation or lightning, and winds under 25 knots, so not looking like a wind advisory today either. So a fair day in general to end the work week. So moving to the weekend, we're going to see some unsettled conditions move into the region. Some rainfall likely by Saturday afternoon, and we'll see some breezy to windy conditions on Sunday with chances even some thunderstorms by Sunday afternoon. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level was around 800 feet. Our winds are out of the northwest in the low levels around 20 to 30 knots and increasing in the mid levels, out of the west and northwest around 50 to 60 knots, and then seeing our winds at 126 knots out of the west northwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, high pressure in control, fairly strong high at 1042. It's going to be continuing to move over the area today and then sliding off the coast tonight. It's going to allow us to see some temperatures dip down into the upper 20s late this evening into the early overnight hours before we see cloud cover increasing ahead of our next system, and that's going to give us some temperatures actually warming overnight slightly for tomorrow morning. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see mostly clear skies, across the region. Seeing that residual snow cover across across central Virginia, but overall across our region, all that snow cover has been washed quickly away by the rainfall, and just seeing normal ground cover across our region. And we'll continue to see mostly sunny skies throughout the day today, with some increasing cirrus cloudiness for this afternoon, giving us a bit of filtered sunshine for later this afternoon. Taking a look at the GFS model for the next few days here, high pressure in control today, and then tomorrow we'll quickly see that system develop across the lower Mississippi Valley, moving towards our region, giving us some rain showers by Saturday afternoon, rain likely Saturday evening, and then Sunday we'll see a warm front pass north of our region, giving us some scattered showers throughout the day, and then we'll see a cold front pass through the region Saturday afternoon. Some of that rainfall could be heavy when this cold front does move through. As well, we'll see a fairly strong cold fronts that's going to give us a chance of some thunderstorms across the region, with some windy conditions as well out ahead of that system. Let's move into our Monday, have a much colder air mass moving the region, some windy conditions, wind chills in the 20s, highs in the lower 40s. And then for Tuesday, we're going to see that Arctic high build in the region ahead of our next system, moving towards the area for our possible Wednesday and a Thursday. And most models are showing a winter system for Wednesday and Thursday. GFS here is a bit quicker than other models, but in general shows that chance of snowfall on late Wednesday and continuing into Thursday. So we'll continue to monitor this forecast for mid next week with a possible winter system moving through the region. Some of these models do have a fairly strong low off our coast. We'll continue to monitor this and see how it trends over the weekend and early next week. But overall for today, we see green chart across the board, high around 43, low tonight of around 27 during the early overnight hours, and temperatures slowly rising in the lower 30s and then mid-30s by Saturday at 8 local. Northwesterly winds 9 to 14 knots, gets 21 knots a day, then light winds overnight in general. Our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. We'll see lowering mid and upper level cloudiness across the region. So by 8 local, we'll see overcast skies, broken deck at 10,000, as well as overcast deck at 15,000. So like some cloudy skies by tomorrow morning. Our tides are normal, and looking at Saturday and Sunday as those unsettled conditions across the region for the weekend. Saturday, overcast, rain likely by the afternoon, slightly breezy late, high 47. Saturday night, overcast with rain showers likely, and a very slight chance of thunderstorm, breezy and overnight as well. With that warm front moving north of the region, we'll see some southerly breezes, a low of 46. Temperatures rise in the lower 50s by dawn, and for Sunday, overcast, mostly cloudy and windy. Rain showers likely, and a slight chance of a thunderstorm, a high of 62 degrees. Red conditions for our rain for Saturday through Sunday, looking like a good chance we're seeing rainfall for each of these 3 time periods. Some of that rain could be heavy Saturday evening. Saturday night, we'll have that very slight chance of a thunderstorm with that warm front moving through the region, so more of a scattered variety to our rain showers for overnight Saturday into Sunday. And then Sunday looks like could seeing some drying conditions or dry conditions for Sunday morning, with some isolated showers before that cold front moves through for Sunday afternoon. And looks like going to have some heavier rainfall with that cold front moving through. As far as the next 7 days go, we'll see those temperatures about seasonable for today. Tomorrow we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and lower 60s for Sunday. Some of the models are showing excuse me, some temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in the interior or inland locations of the peninsula. But with the low clouds in the region on Sunday, probably just going to see temperatures in the lower 60s across the area. And we'll see that much colder air mass build in for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that possibility of a winter storm moving through the region on Wednesday and Thursday. As I mentioned, we'll continue to monitor that and refine the details as we get closer. But right now, it looks like could be seeing a good chance of some snow on late Wednesday into Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.